Alrighty, so this is going to be a short video on how to add a favorite to your project or to ArcPro. This way you can take it with you and then you can re-add it to any project you want later down the road without trying to, dive in and try to find it in tons of different ways. So the easy way to do this is you're just going to go over here, you go to your geodatabase, you can do this with folders, geodatabases, whatever. Right here we just have a cell phone test geodatabase. We're going to add this to the favorites. So this way we have it. If we want to open up a new project, we'll be able to find it right there. So we can come over here and go to add to favorites. We'll go ahead and click this. And then we can come over here to our favorites, and there is our cell phone test geo database right there. Now, what's the brilliance of this? Well, if you go over here, start a new project, we'll just start one without a template, and we'll save our changes. We also have our cell phone test geo database right here that we added from before that we can easily add back in. We can right click and we can add it to the project. When we come back to the project in our databases, there's our cell phone geo database. We didn't have to navigate to it or create a special connection for it. So that is the fastest and easiest way to add favorites to ArcPro. Thanks very much and have a great day.